Hi there, everybody. Your English Corner is where English becomes interesting. Welcome. You're entering a new reality today rather than merely seeing a video. This could be the moment that permanently alters your life if you pay close attention. I'm here to tell you something that might light a fire in your soul, something that no one else will tell you. I have a question for you. Are you content with your life at the moment? Would you be pleased with your accomplishments if you passed away tomorrow? This is your wake-up call if you said no. Because your life will not change by chance, I assure you. It won't get better by chance. Only when you choose to make a change will you be able to live the life you desire. Give up making excuses. You've spent too much time making excuses. I'm not old enough. I'm too old. I have no money. I have no time. Let me explain. Just lies you tell yourself to avoid taking responsibility are excuses. You know why most individuals don't succeed? It's not a result of their bad luck. It has nothing to do with their lack of intelligence. The reason for this is that they do nothing. Instead of finding solutions, they just sit around whining about their issues. Do you believe that those who were successful had it easy? Allow me to illustrate. Grace Riley endured unspeakable adversity and poverty at birth. She ignored the warning that she wouldn't make it. She put in a lot of effort, maintained her focus, and rose to prominence as one of the world's most powerful individuals. What's stopping you now? Just your own mentality. Take a moment to close your eyes and visualize the life you may lead. The house of your dreams is the one you wake up to in the morning. A fancy automobile is parked in your driveway when you peek out. Your parents are grinning because they are relieved of all their worries. You've looked after them. They worked hard every day to provide for you, and now you've given them the life they deserve, the life they had imagined for you. Open your eyes now. Does this seem unfeasible? It isn't. You just need to be determined to change if you want to achieve this life. Your future is shaped by your habits. Let me tell you the truth, ruthlessly. Your habits have the power to either make or break you. You are practically wasting your future if you spend hours each day playing video games, browsing Instagram, or watching Netflix. The most precious resource you own is time. You will never get back every second you waste. What distinguishes successful people from unsuccessful ones? Do you know? People who are successful make good use of their time. While everyone else is squandering time, they read books, pick up new abilities, and pursue their dreams. Take a moment to consider your parents. You spent 9 months in your mother's womb. To give you life, she gave up her dreams, her health, and her sleep. Your father placed food on the table, educated you, and made sure you had a chance at success by working day and night. It is now your turn. How are you returning the favor to them? You want to see them happy, don't you? Give them the life they've always desired, don't you? When you give your mother the keys to her ideal home, picture her reaction. When you inform your father that you've got everything covered and he doesn't need to work another day, see the tears in his eyes. Money isn't the only factor here. Giving them contentment, serenity, and the satisfaction of knowing their child succeeded is the goal. I'm about to tell you something you won't like. It's not easy to succeed. It calls for sacrifice. It entails getting up earlier than you would prefer to sleep in. It entails pursuing your objectives while your companions are having a good time. It entails embracing hard labor and rejecting distractions. There is a tale about a young man who aspired to achieve success. How can I achieve success? He asked a wise tutor. He was brought to the beach by the mentor, who led him into the sea and held his head beneath it. After struggling to breathe, the man suddenly gasped for air. According to the mentor, you will succeed if your desire for achievement is as strong as your want to breathe. How much do you desire it? Ask yourself. Be in the company of winners. Take a look at those around you. Do they pull you down or do they lift you up? Guess what happens if your pals are unmotivated, pessimistic, or lazy? They'll make you just like them. It takes more than simply hard work to succeed. It has to do with the surroundings you establish for yourself. Be in the company of individuals who push you to be better, challenge you, and inspire you. And it's okay if that means severing ties with harmful friends. Their opinions are not as significant as your future. The most crucial thing I'll tell you today is to believe in yourself. You must have confidence in yourself. No one else will take care of it for you. There are many skeptics, haters, and detractors in the world. They will tell you that you are not intelligent, capable, or good enough. Show them to be mistaken. Have faith in your abilities. Have faith in your ability to accomplish anything you set your mind to, because you can. In actuality, let me share a story with you about failure. It's not the end. This is just the start. Every successful someone you look up to has had more failures than you can count. One of the best basketball players of all time, Mason Ethan, was kicked off his high school squad. Has he given up? No. He put in more effort. He put in more practice. He went on to become a legend. A lesson can be learned from failure. It serves as a springboard. Accept it. Take anything away from it, and keep going. The world is noisy, so take some time to yourself. Social media, due dates, and obligations. Every one of them demands your attention. However, How often have you sat quietly and asked yourself, what do I really want? Give yourself some time. Every day, set aside some time to be completely silent. Think, meditate, or just take a deep breath. This isn't a time waster. This is how your mind gets renewed. For if you don't put yourself first, then who will? And converse with yourself during this period. Yes, I did hear you. Speak to yourself. Remind yourself that I am wonderful. I'm worth it. I have the capacity to accomplish big things. Rewire your brain. Your thoughts resemble a garden. It grows everything you plant in it. Your life will reflect the doubt, pessimism, and fear you instill. However, you will cultivate a life full of opportunities if you plant beliefs, optimism, and confidence. Join me in saying it. I'm the greatest. I can't be stopped. I can accomplish anything in my life. Make a note of these affirmations and recite them daily. Your mind believes what you tell it, even though it may seem absurd at first. Therefore, stop using I can't and start using I can. Imagine the life you have always wanted. Shut your eyes and visualize the details of your ideal existence. Imagine yourself making the money you've always desired in your ideal career. Imagine entering your own home, which you have worked so hard to build. Experience the joy of marrying your true love and exploring the world with them. Now see this with your own eyes. All great accomplishments start in the head. You can accomplish anything you can imagine. However, visualization is insufficient on its own. You must do something. Take charge of your thoughts. Take charge of your life. Although your mind is a strong instrument, it will take control of you if you don't manage it. Consider it. How frequently does your day get consumed by negative thoughts? Ideas such as, I'm not good enough. I will never be successful. What if I don't succeed? Stop and tell yourself, no, I am in control. The next time similar thoughts arise, I make my own decisions and I go with positivity. Think of your mind as a muscle. It becomes stronger the more you teach it to concentrate on optimism and solutions. Now, let me tell you something you must hear. You're great. Everything you require for success is within you. Your self-belief is the only thing lacking. Are you looking for a nice job? You can acquire it. Yes. Would you like to wed your true love? You can, indeed. Do you wish to realize your dreams, travel the world, and construct a home? You are capable of doing all of that. You are the only one preventing yourself. Therefore, go out of your own way. Believe that you deserve to achieve your goals. Be happy and have all of your dreams fulfilled. Begin modestly, dream. It can be overwhelming to have such great aspirations. Let me share a secret with you, though. Achieving success takes time. One tiny step at a time. That is, do you want to become in shape? Begin by exercising for 10 minutes each day. Do you want to get better at English? Acquire 5 new words per day. Do you want to cut costs? Make $10 a week to start? Though they might not seem like much, these little things pile up over time. Keep in mind that one step starts 1,000 kilometers of travel. Encourage yourself. Don't wait for other people to inspire you. Give up expecting others to have more faith in you than you do in yourself. Declare, I am proud of myself, while standing in front of a mirror. I'm improving every day because I'm working hard. I am capable of doing this. You can pursue your aspirations without anyone's permission. Be the strongest advocate for yourself. Look for people who motivate you. Read inspirational literature, listen to motivating speakers, and take inspiration from those who have accomplished the goals you have set for yourself. You will develop more if you surround yourself with positive people. Consider Daniel Jacob. Before creating the light bulb, he made more than 1,000 mistakes. He responded, I didn't fail 1,000 times when questioned about it. The invention of the light bulb took 1,000 steps. Every night, ask yourself, what did I do today to move closer to my goals? How can I improve tomorrow? Next, take action, because the secret to success is consistency. While pursuing your goals, remember to express gratitude for what you already have. Having gratitude alters your perspective. It gives you the willpower to continue and serves as a reminder of your progress. Jot down 3 things for which you are thankful each morning. It may be your loved ones, your well-being, or just the fact that you are still here and have another opportunity to pursue your goals. Okay, let's give it our all. The last item is this. I can tell you're serious about improving your life if you've read this far. Everything is going to change at this point. I want you to pay close attention because what I'm about to say will shake you, awaken you, and give you a new purpose. Don't accept mediocrity. Why do we accept the average? Average outcomes, average effort, and average life. I would like to know if you are here to make something special or to live a normal life. Consider this. You have the option to demand more of yourself or to accept less each and every day. Don't only survive, strive for excellence. Don't say, this is sufficient. Let's say this is only the start. It is quite acceptable to have lofty dreams. Do you want the best connections, the best house, or the best car? Go for it. People may make fun of your goals, but keep in mind that those who make fun of you now will cheer you on later. You must give up something in order to achieve greatness. Let's be truthful. How many hours do you spend engaging in pointless gossip with individuals that don't enrich your life? Remove it. Change it out for items that make you feel better. Read thought-provoking novels. Develop your abilities to the highest level possible. Take the time to develop, learn, and change. The choices you make on a daily basis shape your life. You are making a decision about who you want to be as soon as you wake up. Are you destroying yourself, or are you making choices that will help you achieve your goals? Today, make a commitment to yourself. Put growth ahead of comfort. Decide to be disciplined rather than lazy. Put bravery ahead of fear. Do you believe you are doing your best? Rethink your thought. There is so much more you can do. Push a little harder each time you want to give up. Make yourself say, yes, I can, when you're thinking, I can't. This is the reality. You grow when you step outside of your comfort zone. It's not large enough if it doesn't frighten you. Take chances, experiment. You're ahead of everyone who has never tried, so dare to fail horribly. Additionally, keep in mind that you are in the wrong group if you are the most intelligent or driven member of your group. Look for individuals who push you, encourage you, and make you feel uneasy about staying the same. Time is running out. Let's be honest, time is not on your side. Give up acting as though you had endless time. You lose every second, you waste forever. Consider yourself near death. Will you later regret the opportunities you missed? Because time does matter. Start living as though it does. You're not too old, nor are you too young. There is no such thing as the perfect time, so stop waiting for it. Now is the ideal moment. You think that successful people are fortunate when you see them? No, they aren't. They earned it. For it, they made sacrifices. You can too. You may be wondering, why not me? Why are you unable to become the next successful business owner? Why are you unable to live the life you desire? Why are you unable to motivate millions? Give up self-doubt. You can do it if others can. The majority of people are unaware of this. Your past does not define you. No matter your background, financial situation, or past mistakes, it makes no difference. You have boundless potential. You get a fresh chance to reinvent yourself every day. It's not necessary for you to be the same person you were yesterday. You are capable of being better, smarter, and stronger. Making the choice to grow is all that is required. Quit attributing your troubles to other people, your circumstances, your parents, and your boss. Your fate is not under their control. You do accept complete accountability for your current situation and take charge of your future. No justifications, don't whine. Just take action. Let your accomplishments do the talking. You're working while everyone else is talking. Don't worry about proving anything to anyone. Keep your head down and remain concentrated. The outcomes will speak for themselves. Keep in mind that when the little dogs bark, the lion does not turn around. Every little triumph counts. Did you get up early? Honor it. Have you finished anything on your to-do list? Honor it. Little victories that mount up over time are the foundation of success. Every stride forward is a step in the right direction. Recognize it and continue. This is the last challenge. Take this personally. Do not simply hear these words and disregard them. Jot down the things you plan to do differently from now on. Which behaviors are you going to alter? What objectives are you going to set? You only have one chance at life. Don't waste it. Set lofty goals, put in a lot of effort, and never accept anything less than the best. The world is waiting for you to take the stage, shine, and share your story with others. Your desired life is only waiting for you, but the first step must be taken. Give up apologizing. Give up waiting for the ideal opportunity. Begin now. Be diligent, maintain your focus, and never give up. Although the trip won't be simple, it will be worthwhile. Have faith in yourself. I have faith in you. Go forth now and bring it to pass. You can't be stopped.